How do you get inside the note? Because once you get inside the note, you're going to get inside people's hearts. If you don't know how to get inside the note, you are not going to get inside people's hearts, and you're not going to get their attention. They'll walk away. This is outside the note. This is inside the note. You know, one note. Soul, heart, mind, body, and your vitals. One note. That is the most important ingredient for musicians to have. How to implement those 5 elements into one note. You know, I hear in Charlie Parker, I hear Stevie Ray Vaughan, Jaco Pastorius. I can tell you who in one note has all those elements going each time. That makes it very, very timeless and very essential to being alive and living and being elevated.